All right, hey, what's going on, guys? So what I have in for repair today is it's called a red light therapy. I don't know if it's a mat or what it is. Maybe I think it might be something for like a dog or something like that. Regardless, what's going on is inside here. We have inside here. You can see that the LED strip has been damaged. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll show you guys that underneath the camera. But regardless, the LED strip is damaged. So I did tell the customer that while doing this, I'm gonna need to remove some of this stuff in order to get to the LED strips in order for me to fix it, and they were okay with it. So let's go ahead and let's do that now, and let's see what happens. So let me get you guys underneath the camera here. What we need to do also is, I was really hoping that this thing would be able to just, so it's ripped right there. It seems like somebody else already worked on it and it keeps on ripping in the same spot. So we're gonna do something a little bit different to try and get this thing to hold up a lot longer. Okay, and next we're gonna just scrape this off. Okay, let's try that now. Okay, and let's do the same thing to the other side over here. And there we go. We've gotten that area kind of taken care of. Let's clean it up. Okay, and since we're done with that, let's go ahead and green goo. Where is it at? The regular wires that I have, but I'm choosing to use this. And then I will come back and I will touch these up. But I just want to get all these wires in place first, and then I can come back and put some more solder down. And then there. So we got all those wires in place. Let's go ahead and let's put some more solder down, and then once we get the rest of this solder down, then we can come back and adjust the wires And anything else that we have to do, we can do afterwards. But I just want to make sure that I get some solder on these. Burn myself. I didn't think I was that close to my finger, but okay. And those all look good. So what I'm gonna do now is right here, just gonna touch it real quick. I'm gonna pretty much do that to all of them. I'm gonna come in. Oh, you guys can't even see that. I'm gonna come in here with this, and I'm just gonna simply take these wires and quickly remove the white coating. Actually, probably can just peel it back like this. Okay, so that worked out. Let's go ahead and let's put some solder all along here, and then one by one we'll attach them. And then the last one is this one. Let me just clean that up. Okay, now we have all of those attached. Let's just kind of, all right. Now if you notice, I'm just quickly touching these, and the reason for that is because if I sit my iron on these for too long, it will actually, the whole thing will heat up and both sides will disconnect unless I hold it like this and then do it. Just wanted to make sure that there was enough solder on it. So let's clean this up, and then after we clean it up, we will have to see what we can do to get it to look, to not look, but to stay together, and that way we don't have this coming back to us. Okay, and let's go ahead and let's test it and let's see what happens here. I just want to do a real quick test on it. I don't even know which one of these plugs do what. There's two plugs on here. I don't know what they do. Oh, there we go. So it is working. As you can tell, off, or that's dimmed. So you just unplug it to turn it off. So it's off right now. What about this side? So same. You can see that the whole thing is working. So let me just take a picture for the customer, and that way they have a picture of it for when I bring it back. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Let's you know what, instead of green goo, we're gonna put some glue on it. And the reason why I'm gonna use the glue instead of the green goo is because the glue is flexible, and even over time, I feel like the glue will hold up a lot better than the green goo. So we'll just let that sit for a while like that. And once that's done drying, I think that will be it, because even if these wires bend a lot, I think the glue will help reinforce it. Kind of like, not going to be just water sealing it, but also, like I said, protecting it from, you know, anything that will cause the wires to break. It will also help with that. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and like and subscribe, guys. I think it's like maybe like 1% of you guys that are subscribed watch the videos. So I'd like to have some more subscribers. I'm not pleading or begging, but if you guys want to like this material that I'm putting out, want me to keep on putting out more material, I would like to see some feedback. The material that I put out is based on you guys' feedback, because obviously if you guys are liking and subscribing, these videos will get, you know, around to other customers that might have similar issues, or just have issues or have soldering jobs, and they'll give them to me. And when they give them to me, then I make a video, and then in turn you guys learn how to fix it. So if you're in this industry and someone comes to you, you at least have the knowledge, or have a video that you can go back to and watch and learn something from in order to tackle the job that's ahead of you. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. The next video is